And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can blur the background in a video. This method is easy to use, but be aware that it only works on humans. So it's an auto detection that can only detect humans. What we need is an effects, the lens category, and there you find some blur options. Let me just use the regular blur. I want to place it on the video. We've got it entirely blurred and we want to keep the person sharp. To achieve that, let me press Ctrl Z. I first copy the original clip. You can use copy paste right here or Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So we've got two identical clips onto different video channels. Go to the top one, make sure it's selected in the timeline. Then, by the way, I use the default layout, switch to video, then to cutouts, and here's the auto cutout function. If you check it, it's going to get processed. Depending on the clip length and your CPU power, it's going to take some time. But here we are now. Keep the stroke to none. We don't want to have a stroke. And now if I make the first video clip, the one below, invisible, you can see our auto cutout has given us a cutout of the human. And now we can blur the video below. And on top we will have our cutout. It's not going to get affected. A little bit of a downside is that you're going to get a small halo around the person. And sometimes you have a little bit of fragments here and there. But for an auto detection, that's an easy option, works well. And you can adjust the blur right here of the first clip on video channel 1. I think it's a good option, that's fine for most tasks. And this is how you can blur the background in videos using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.